Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your computer and go to the taskbar and see if you can find the Bluetooth icon. If you see it there, you can just double click on it and you will land on the Bluetooth settings page. But if you don't see it here, you can just go to the search box and then type in Bluetooth and you'll see Bluetooth on the top. Now click on it. Now from here, if you see that the Bluetooth is turned off, all you need to do now is turn it on. After that, click on this plus icon from here. Now you'll see three options in here and we are going to use the first one. But before that, take your headphones and find the pairing button. And in this headphone, this is the pairing button. And once you find it, press and hold on to it for a few seconds. And then you may see some LED lights blink up, or maybe you will hear something through your headphone that it is in pairing mode. And after that, go to your computer again and then click on the first option, which is Bluetooth. And now your computer will look for that device. And here you can see it just found it. Now all you need to do is just click on your headphone. And as you can see here, it is connected for voice and music. Now all you need to do is just click on done. Now put your headphone on and just play something to see that if it is working or not. And in my case, it is working fine. And that is how you can connect your Bluetooth headphone on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.